Hi. Welcome to Gaermont. My name is Patch. I am one of the founding partners of this company. Our company is growing, and we are looking for the right person to handle our logistics operations. We are dedicated to the production and sale of different sporting goods. In particular, we manufacture different types of balloons. Our balls are used in sports such as soccer, football, or basketball, among others. With the growth of the company, our logistics operations have become increasingly complex, and in order to find the right person to manage logistics and production operations, we have designed a simulator. This simulator is Lost. Now let me talk to you about this simulator. Lost is not just a simulator, it really is a set of simulators. The first simulator is quite simple, however, as the simulator progresses, the scenarios are increasing their difficulty until they come to reflect all our complexities. Each scenario has a common history. There is a factory or many factories. In these factories the balls are produced. At the end of the week, our products are sent to one or several stores. From the stores a report of the sales is made for the factory, and the person in charge of the logistics and production decides how many units to produce weekly considering the production capacity. This person also determines the amount of raw material to be used in the production plan. Finally, it also determines if it is necessary to order some raw material from our suppliers. The characteristics of the whole operation will be explained in detail later. Now, before explaining the simulator in detail, allow me to introduce you to the whole team working in Gaermont.
Hello, my name is Jenny and I am the General Manager of Gaermont Sports.
Welcome, my name is Ernest and I am the person who is in charge of the factory.
Hi, my name is Vale and I'm the person who is in charge of the store.
In addition to Jenny, Ernest and Vale, there are other people who advise us on some of our decisions. But we will introduce them to you when we are reviewing the processes where they participate.
Welcome to Gaermont.
Welcome to Lost.
Hi. Lost is a logistical decision simulator created by Gaermont. In the first scenario, we must consider that Gaermont is like a small supply chain. It has suppliers, owns a factory, and markets its products through a small store. We will start by talking about suppliers. We work with 3 different types of raw material. For each type of raw material, we have selected 3 different suppliers. For example, for raw material A, we have supplier A1, supplier A2, and supplier A3. Each of them has been qualified in relation to 4 different items: quality, delivery time, cost of delivery, and unit cost. The details of these scores will be found in the simulator.
In this factory we have 3 different machines. Each of these machines is operated by a worker. They work from Monday to Friday 8 hours. There are 2 different work shifts. So, in total we have 80 hours machine per week. Each of the 8 different products we manufacture must go through each machine. Perhaps this is our main restriction and limits our production capacity. The time each product passes in each machine is described in detail in the simulator. On the other hand, 2 important elements should be noted. The first is that workers have a fixed weekly wage. This means that if the factory does not produce a ball in the week, they will receive their weekly salary. In addition, there is also an operating cost for each machine. This cost is related to the inputs and energy used for its operation. This cost depends on how long the machine is used. If no ball is produced in a week, this operating cost will be 0. All data about wages, operating costs, and the time each product consumes in each of the machines is clearly described in the simulator.
In the store, people come looking for some of the items that we have designed and manufactured. They arrive at the store and select the products, and then they go to the cash registers where they pay for the items they have selected. If they do not find the item they are looking for, then they leave the store, and the sale is lost. The cashier should always ask all our customers if they found everything they were looking for. In this way, we get to know our demand, even if the article is not available. Every week we send the factory a report of our sales, and demand for all types of balls. With this information we try to make the forecasts, and to determine the production plan for next week. On the other hand, on Saturdays in the afternoon we regularly receive the shipment of finished products from the factory. These products will be available for sale early on Monday.